Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I have this amazing batter that I'm going to fry up some calamari and shrimp in. It's absolutely delicious and I think you're going to love it. I know, it's fried. Calm down. Are you back from running out of the room with your hair on fire? This is a really simple recipe. It tastes great. It's not oily. You're gonna see there's a really neat little trick that we do here, and it makes the best tasting fried calamari and shrimp you've ever had. Come on, let's get started. Okay, we have half a pound of clean calamari, half a pound of shrimp, 1 cup all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, 1 cup club soda, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 egg whites, and we'll need vegetable oil for frying. Okay, let's put the flour in a mixing bowl. Grab a little pinch of pepper, pinch of salt, club soda. Now let's add the extra virgin olive oil. All right, we're gonna mix it up. Not too crazy, just wanna get everything blended nicely. Gonna let that rest. All right, while that's resting, we're gonna whip up the egg whites. This is the trick that makes this taste so good. Let's get these going. This will only take a minute. Those are looking pretty good. Let's get these out of here. All right, nice and whipped. All right, now let's trim the fish. Cut up the calamari into whatever size pieces you like. I always buy my calamari cleaned. You should do whatever you want. I don't want to clean calamari. Trim off all the little things I don't want to eat. Very simple. Okay, now we're gonna incorporate very gently. We're gonna fold this egg white into the flour and water mixture. And the reason you want to fold it is because you don't want all that air that you incorporated into the egg whites to like dissolve. That's the key to this. All right, looks good. Let's go over to the stove. I have vegetable oil in a pan. I'm gonna dip a little bit of calamari in the batter. Put it in. Now, if you have a deep fryer, that's definitely the way to go. Because this was a big mess when I made this. There's a lot to clean up. So, all right, let's get a couple more pieces in here. We'll get some shrimp in there too. All right, and then we're gonna flip them over so they get nice and golden brown on both sides. Those look good. And yeah, I'm making a big mess, I know. Okay, we're gonna put them on a plate that's been lined with a paper towel. It'll catch some of that oil. What you're gonna find with this batter, because it's done with the club soda and the egg whites, is it's not dense. It stays really light. And the fish cooks up great in it. I'd say that's looking pretty good. Okay. Now let's take it over here. We're gonna put a little salt and pepper on it. Can't wait to eat this. Well, I told you it was simple to make. That trick of folding in the egg whites into the batter with the club soda, it just makes such a great batter. So let's have a taste. This is by far the best calamari I've ever had. You could use this batter to fry up shrimp, fry up fish. It's a wonderful thing. I hope you make it. Remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.